I'm about to get into these mini twists. I'm gonna start with the parting, and I do not care about the parting. It does not have to be perfect, okay? Trust me, it does not matter at the end of the day. So in the beginning, what I do, I just braid a little bit from the base. I braid tightly, like 3 or 4 braids, I'd say, and then I just start to twist. I like to twist them tight so they can stay intact. I do plan on having this style for a little bit, so I just twist it tight. Next one, same thing, braid about 3 or 4 times, even more if you like. You just stop braiding when you feel like it, and then you just twist until you get to the end. And as I'm getting down, I like to detangle my hair at the same time, and I like to add some softening moisturizer just to kind of make it a little bit more manageable. So here I'm making one big part so I can break it up into mini parts. And again, y'all, I am not stressing if it's not straight. Doesn't matter to me, okay? And yeah, take a section from the big section I just made, and same routine here. Comb it out, please comb it out, detangle, braid at the base, and then twist all the way to the bottom. I love this style because it lasts, and since I work out and I do a lot of different things, it's just easy because my scalp is getting air, it gets to breathe. You see how there's like space between my little twists? Look at that tangle. See, that's why I say comb it out, because if your hair is as unruly as mine, it's gonna tangle, while especially in this like semi-wet to dry state. So a different angle here, as y'all see, I braiding at the base for a little bit, then just split it into 2 and just keep 2-strand twisting. Anybody can really do this. I'm hoping this is helping y'all because, you know, it did take me time, but it was so worth it at the end. So I'm almost at the finish, and I did not record the beginning where I cornrow the front, but maybe in another video. But yeah, check it out. This is the finished result. I was actually very happy with it, and as I can tell, like, who cares about the parts? Like, if somebody's this close to your scalp, then I don't know what to tell you. I do feel though that if my ends were cut, it would have looked much better, but overall I'm happy. What do you think?